Hey guys, welcome back to our chaotic channel. We're the Hobgoblins. I'm Wix. Zoltz.
Frizlord, goodness.
And today we are at Frizlord's house and we are making a bunt cake. Watch me.
Maybe you can.
Yeah.
I do it on the camera.
This is how I do it.
And you do it however you're most comfortable doing.
Dispose of them.
I love these. They're in the cabinet.
Garbage cans, yeah. Washcloth. I got a little bit of egg on the counter. Just see. I got egg on the counter. Why do you keep drinking it?
She's drinking lemon juice.
Pour. I know I don't pour it into the hole.
He might be dumb, but he's not that dumb.
What if I just stuck my head in it?
Don't.
Why?
No.
Why?
Cause.
Give me a valid reason.
Because people want to eat this.
What's the recommended amount of detonated wham? Might as well have this
What's the problem we just ran into?
I set the timer for 45 hours, not 45 minutes. Can I pull it out?
Nice.
I'm pulling it out. Oh, keep jiggling though. Let it keep baking then. Okay. It hasn't burnt yet. I'm gonna set the timer for like 15 more minutes.
Nice.
Some of this. Get in that freezer. There should be some semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. See if you can grab like another bag of these. Let's heat proof. Every single bolt in there. Okay. Okay, so it needs to be simmering. There's nothing down the tree. I'm out. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. 12, 26, 19. Get rid of it. You idiot. We're gonna have to use something else. Give me chocolate frosting.
Not bake in this oven. Understand?
It's done. Help. Oh, it's hot. What happened? That is expired. Very expired. So it cannot. I can't believe I was about to drink that. Oh, that stuff was. Oh, where's your internet? Google. This is going horribly wrong. Can we just smother it in peanut butter? Look up peanut butter frosting.
Wait, we could melt the chocolate and then like drizzle it over after using peanut butter frosting.
No, homemade. Mom. I need 1/3 cup of peanut butter.
I don't have a lot of butter.
Heat it up more.
Why?
It's not
melted?
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
We're continuing, and now we have stuff that isn't bad.
I ran out of storage on my phone, so it stopped recording.
You know what? Screw this.
Yay! Thank you.
just grab the whisk thing?
Yes, idiot.
You know, baking channels are gonna react to this video and be like, these idiots.
You're doing everything so wrong.
Oh.
You're like a cat.
It tastes pretty good. We should add more peanut butter. I'm tasting a lot of chocolate.
Frosting to cake ratio. Bad. For God's sakes, just melt the stupid thing.
I swear we're trying. Should we try spreading this across the cake now?
Taste it.
Wasn't this supposed to be warm? Yeah. It's also supposed to be thicker. It'll
You
be
were the
like a
one that
glaze. Okay,
Sure, we'll just have to chill it.
yeah, and then we'll chill. And then we can pour it over. And then just throw some chocolate chips on it.
Yeah, we'll hurry up and get to it.
We're gonna wait.
Did you not spray it?
We did! Well, we didn't spray it.
She greased and floured it.
Greased and floured it.
Okay.
Yes, yes I do.
Just flip it upside down. You're gonna be falling upside down. There we go. We figured it out. That's all that matters.
Oh, it's choky.
It's just fine.
There's gonna be a reservoir in the middle. Yo, if you chill it, it's gonna be so good. This actually kind of looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Even though we messed up, this looks way good. I totally eat this.
You should have
I
melted
do
the
have a
peanut
cake taker.
butter. A what?
Oh, what? Oh.
We filled the reservoir. So,
Zoltz had to leave. But we didn't completely mess this up.
yeah, it may not look too pleasing, but it tastes pretty good. Oh, it's so rich.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Wix.
Frizlord.
Zoltz is gone. Like, comment, subscribe, and join us for our next adventure. Bye, guys.